Jai Hind everyone, my name is Swarnika. Today I will do a science experiment. For that I need a sheet, some colors, a marker, ziploc bag and a jug full of water. After that I will draw any shape. Here I am drawing triangle. I am coloring. Now I will take the sheet and put it into the ziploc bag. I'm taking its air. Now I will take the marker and sketch it myself. I have outlined it. Now I will take the sheet with the ziploc bag and now I will take it and put it into the jug. Now sometimes you may see the color, sometimes you may not see the color. You know why it is happening? Because of refraction. Thank you and Jai Hind.